What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to cancel a subscription or free trial on your iPhone through your settings. Canceling subscriptions can help you manage your expenses and ensure you're only paying for the services you use. Unlock your iPhone and find the Settings app on your home screen. Tap on the Settings icon to open it. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. If you are not signed in, enter your Apple ID and password. In your Apple ID settings, find and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all active and expired subscriptions associated with your Apple ID. Browse through the list and select the subscription you wish to cancel. Tap on the subscription to view its details. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the subscription details page. Tap Cancel Subscription. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm your choice to cancel the subscription. After cancellation, check the subscription status to ensure it shows as canceled. You have now successfully canceled a subscription on your iPhone. Remember to regularly review your subscription to manage your expenses effectively. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.